You know VLOOKUP, you know pivot tables, but you've probably never used at least 7 of these 10 Excel tricks. The camera tool creates a live linked snapshot of any cell range. It's been in Excel since 2003, yet almost nobody knows it exists. Custom data validation lets you restrict cell input using any formula, not just drop-down lists. Total control over your data entry. Flash fill is like a mini AI built into Excel. Type one example, hit Ctrl-E, and Excel detects the pattern to fill the rest. Dynamic arrays like filter, sort, and unique let you ditch helper columns and complex array formulas forever. Clean and efficient. Ctrl-T creates real tables with auto-expanding formulas and named column references. It makes your spreadsheets much more robust. Power Query is the most underrated feature in all of Excel. One-click, refreshable data cleanup without ever needing a macro. Which one are you trying first? Comment below and subscribe for more Excel tricks that nobody else teaches.